In today's video, I'm going to build a mini gamepad using ESP32, an OLED display and some push button switches. With this gamepad, you can play classic games like Snake, Pong and Dozer and even customize it by adding more games of your choice. So this video is going to be really exciting, so stay tuned. Before we can get started, this video is sponsored by JLCPCB, one of the best PC manufacturers in China. Right now, they are offering $30 off on 6-layer PCB. If your PCB size is below 100 you can get it for just $35. And if your PCB size is below 50 you can order them for just only $2. Ordering is super simple. Simply upload your carver file. After that, simply select the PCB quantity and your color. Leave the rest setting as it is and add to cart and check out. Your PCB will arrive within 1 to 2 weeks. I received mine in just a week, and as you can see, I have ordered bunch of them for my upcoming projects. So for this project, I am going to use this PCB. And as you can see, the 6-layer PCB quality is amazing. So let's assemble the PCB. First, I will solder all the mini push button switches. Next, I will add female header pins for ESP32 and also I will add a mini buzzer. And after that, on the top side of the PCB, I will solder a 4-pin female header for our OLED display. And for power, I am using a 200 mAh lithium-ion battery, which I will solder to the PCB. Now I will attach brush standoffs using M3 nuts for support. Finally, I will insert the ESP32 into the female header pins and attach the second PCB as a back cover using M3 screws. At last, I will install our 0.96-inch OLED display, and now our mini gamepad is ready. To upload the code, I will connect it to my laptop and select the correct board and port and upload the code. And as you can see, our mini gamepad is working perfectly. For now, I have added 3 games, Snake, Dozer and Pong, but you can add many more. Switches allow us to easily select the game and control all the movements. So as you can see, our gamepad is working flawlessly, and the best part is you can make your own too. Let me know in the comments if you would like it and which retro game you would love to play on this gamepad. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also check out JLCPCB for high quality PCBs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.